Welcome everyone to the How to Tutorials YouTube video. Today for this video of How to Tutorials, I will be guiding you through the process of how to download and install the iQIYI application. So for that, open the Google Play Store. There on the search bar of Google Play Store, you need to type in iQIYI, that is iQIYI, and tap on search. You will see the application on the very top. Now you tap on install beside it and the downloading process will begin right after that. So basically iQIYI is a application where you will be able to see movies, animes with multiple subtitle and dubbing at your fingertip. This application is mostly popular for the Asian entertainment. You can see the downloading process is completed. Now you tap on open and with that the downloading process of iQIYI application is completed. Hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe the How to Tutorial YouTube channel for the similar videos. Thank you.